Is your Hyundai Sonata Hybrid from 2011 to 2014 key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead or dying battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid key fob for 2011-2014 models uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell that powers the fob's transmitter. It's widely available and inexpensive at drugstores, hardware stores, and online retailers like Amazon and eBay. Always purchase a fresh battery for optimal performance. For replacing the key fob battery in your Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, you'll need minimal tools to complete the task safely and effectively. First, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is the standard 3-volt lithium coin cell for this model. Make sure it's fresh and from a reliable source. Next, a small flathead screwdriver is essential for gently prying open the key fob. If you have a specialized key fob pry tool, that's even better as it's designed to avoid scratches. Finally, use a soft cloth like a microfiber electronics cloth to protect the fob surface during the process and prevent any scratches. Importantly, avoid using sharp metal tools that could scratch or damage the plastic casing of the key fob. These basic tools should be all you need for a successful replacement. Locate the small seam on the side or back of your key fob. This is where the two halves meet and can be carefully separated. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam. Position it firmly but gently at the edge. Gently twist to pry the fob open. Be patient and apply even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. This requires steady force without rushing. The key fob should separate into two halves, revealing the internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity plus and minus before removing it. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the polarity matches the markings in the fob. Now, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure they align properly and press firmly to close the casing securely. Ensure the casing is securely closed to prevent any gaps or loose connections that could cause issues. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your car from a reasonable distance. With a new battery, the range should be approximately 30 feet. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity and ensure it's properly seated. In rare cases, the fob may need to be reprogrammed by a Hyundai dealer. This is uncommon, but can occur with older fobs. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery at a recycling center or designated collection point. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should never be thrown in regular trash, as they can cause environmental harm or fire hazards. As technology evolves, physical key fobs are being phased out in favor of smartphone-based keyless entry systems that use apps and Bluetooth. For newer vehicles, this eliminates the need for battery replacements. However, owners of older models like the 2011-2014 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid can still benefit from simple DIY battery changes, which are quick, inexpensive, and keep the vehicle functional.